Hi there. Recently I had to build a couple of websites, very simple websites where, I would be trying to sell something. So I've built this digital agency website that is helping me to sell my services. I've also built this one for my wife. It's a handcraft business where she's doing those kind of things and teaching people how to do them. Over the last few years, I learned how to build those really quick websites. And the fun thing is, like, they're very blazingly fast. So for example, if actually you look at this one, even if I refresh it, it's very, very quick to load. I've seen some research that was saying that after 3 seconds, you lose half of your customers. And then each second loses you even more. So it's actually a benefit for you to build those quick sites. And I'm using here this very neat technology called Gatsby. So in this short video, I'll try to show you how it's done from start to finish. This entire project took me more than 3 hours, which I did during the live stream, and I was responding to some messages. I was sort of talking to people, but I assume that even if you do it first time, you should be able to do it within like an hour and a half. So what I will do here, I will show you step by step what I'm doing to create this website with AI and with this thing called Gatsby. Then maybe on the next video, I will also show you how to publish it and how to connect web address. So you've got like entire set of skills that will actually help you get a website like this fairly cheap, very quickly. So let's start with creating a project. So I will be using Visual Studio Code, which is like standard free application for creating these apps. And I'm using Copilot. So stick around, I will show you how to do this. Okay, so let's just start working on it. So new project in Gatsby /React for a digital agency. Let's see what it like. Let's just discuss it. I'm gonna plan it with my AI. I kind of like this mode. I have already server render, so let's use. So write some rules for the project. Let's try to keep components below 300 lines by extracting logic to smaller components. Also, every page should have translation by default. Use styled components. The motion. Good. Let's just go on. It's doing research, obviously, so it's reading the latest library specifications. Just something that I don't always do. I sometimes just go to the library, documentation, copy and paste what I like, and then go away. Let's just start implementing it. Installing Gatsby project with dependencies. Gatsby, Emotion, React. That's good. Create project configuration files. Gatsby, I like those. Actually, those are very useful. I remember I spent many hours actually trying to understand that stuff, and it's very nice actually for Gatsby. Yeah, okay, let's just choose like some cool colors. And let's just have a like nice, cool, modern, sexy theme. Oh, yeah, let's do that one. I think that's how can I call it this way? This is my color palette. And instead of white, I will use some bright color. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is nice. So this one will replace with this. So also fonts will be titles. Like this is serif, obviously. UI serif, yes. Text. So I basically gonna give it to my AI. Like, these are my colors, these are my fonts. Make sure to remember that. And I have a okay, yeah. What the pixels and logic. JavaScript or TypeScript? Let's go TypeScript. Let's be professional. Will you be using CMS? No, I'm not using CMS. Oh, emotion. Yeah, let's go emotion. This is what I said I want. Add the Google GTAG scripts. Yes. Add responsive images. Yeah, why not? Automatic sitemap. Generate manifest file. Yes. Markdown, probably. Yeah, okay, done. There we do this. So now it's like Gatsby stuff, obviously. So this is something that I usually would be doing myself anyway. I'll go to Gatsby website and say like, how do you install it, and copy and paste a couple of scripts. So this time it's something that AI did for me. Yeah, add Gatsby plugins. I actually really enjoyed working with Gatsby some time ago. Okay, allow. Run command. Okay, so it's gonna npm install. We'll have to update it because for some reason it created like quite a lot of vulnerabilities at start, you know, so that's not the best thing. Probably my model is old, you know. Let's just do it bigger, but like this is building a lot of files, like 44 files, like lots of setup. Yeah, mixins even. So for oh, this looks scary. This doesn't look like CSS at all. Let's just deploy it to GitHub. And I will have it as a new pixels and logic. Yeah, available, good. HTTPS, SSH, I don't know if I have SSH set up. Let's see if it will work here. Let's just connect the remote. Where was it? Where are the three dots here? Here? Yeah. Branch, remote, add remote. Yeah, this one. Pixels and logic. Let's just try to run it now. Okay, let's try start. npm run start. What's with this actually? Building development bundle. So let's see my 8000 now. Localhost 8000. Oh, there is a website. Good. CTA primary, CTA secondary, pixels and logic. Okay, I can see that we don't have translations yet. Let's create Polish version of the site. I'm getting this. So it just has to create like a /pl directory, and then it's gonna use the same stuff as in the main one, I think. Although I don't know why it's not really going to the main now. Okay, yeah. Site name. Okay, I can see that this is go back home. Yeah, there is something that was changed. Gatsby clean. So it probably created folders / or like pages. So it would normally create like this kind of thing, but with /pl. Okay, so I don't know, it didn't do that yet. npm run develop. English version add. Okay, this should work now. Did it create like Polish version? Like pages / yeah, it should be here, I guess, if I remember it correctly. Oh yeah, it's here. Yeah, I think I had some translations like on the buttons and stuff are not applied. Yeah, where do I set this stuff? This is actually a nice website. I can almost like if I fill it with data. Same with buttons. Yeah, let's see. If I fill it with data and fix a couple of like minor bugs, I can go with that, I think. Just like maybe this should be slightly better. And I have this promotion, let's call it, where for 10,000 zlotys, which is 2,200 euros or something, you can create a MVP, minimum viable product. Yeah, okay. Let's replace the logo. I think I have nicer logo. Although I like this logo, actually, it's just like text. I like this end, very pretty. I think I will have to make a nicer banner, basically. This one seems too simple. Okay, let's just change the header. I think that's okay. What we do, web application development, IT team leasing. Yeah, that's what we do. Technologies. I don't really like this section, to be honest, as well. Okay, get in touch. And we had why us, yes, we said. The thing is, like, I might need to keep some of this. Anyway, like, what we do. Okay, there's no learn more. I wonder like why this stuff doesn't work. I still have those. No, I still have the translation keys. Let's see if this will actually help. No obvious error. So let's start making things work now. So I'll just put my email here. This needs to be connected. I will have to set up now the email stuff so that this. Okay, now let's just fill this stuff with. What is it saying? Hello add. Okay, wherever it is, let's just replace it with. Replace. Good. And phone number is this, obviously. Yeah, okay. So now at least we have some proper pixels and logic. So like wherever it says pixel and logic, let's replace that with pixels and logic. What should I use for the contact form? What do you think, guys? Yeah, let's try a new form. Okay, I think we updated that. Having an extra form is not... New form. Form name. Pixels. This one I will just do as it recommends. And logic. Yeah, create form. I can just send it with Ajax or something, with React. See, I can have a... Yeah, I can use this. It will be the same form. It will be actually fit in here. Although it will be handled somewhere by, I don't know, by this. I just applied this to my form and... Yeah, let's just do this. I have used... What's the name? Formspree. They React. Can you apply this to my current forms? Yeah, so this will just send it through HTTP request, like, you know, REST call. Let's just move myself for now, so you will see more. So let's just install this honey. Yeah, I think that's just. Oh, I should actually make an update of this entire thing because there's like 2 critical errors and yeah, this is quite a lot actually of bad stuff. Let's just. I think this will do. Yeah, of course. Yeah, update stuff, please. Let's not show those stupid errors anymore. Then you're in your updated contact form. Yeah, I will ask just my AI to update it, so I don't even have to go there. Yes, replace contact form with... Okay, contact form. Yeah, this one. So we did that. Hope it's gonna work. Contact JSON. Add to contact JSON. Okay. There's nothing I hate about this page. I think I like most of it. It's pretty okay. Okay, let's just keep on prompting, I guess, you know, because... Yeah, okay, let's see if this will actually do stuff. I wonder if it's gonna do it from local. Let's see. In theory, it should work actually by now. Let's just run this. npm run start. But let's try. Let's test. If this works from here, I will actually deploy this page for now. So I will have workable page. Like in worst scenario, if nothing happened, like if I deploy this, I will have a website, at least some website with some languages and stuff. So I think like that's a good start. Maciej. .com. It's probably my email. Test. Yeah, let's send that one. Nothing here. It's not informing here. Formspree.io. Sign in. Okay. Submissions. No spam. I haven't submitted this form yet. Okay, so probably it doesn't work. So otherwise I will have to hide it. And I don't want to hide that kind of valuable content. Oh, and let's just replace my logo as well. But that's probably later. I had a logo somewhere on my desktop. I'll just place it in the logo. Let's replace my logo and public logo folder. .pm is a light is my main logo and panel and is my yeah, apply this. I think I could probably find it within the files, but this is not the nature of vibe coding. In vibe coding, you shouldn't really look at the code. Let's just check those colors that I have on those images. Yeah, okay, let's just do this bigger. It's less padding, I guess. Less margin. Less paddings in the header. Okay, let's get back to my render. So I have my deployment here, which is pointing to one place. Let's just change this to point to the other project. Like, let's get it to point to Pixels and Logic Connect. Yeah, probably master. Oh, build failed. What's wrong with you? Found no package JSON. Ooh, okay. It's a PNP RAM. Okay, because this is the scripts are different, obviously. NPM. It's NPM now, not PNPM. Here. Oh, edit. NPM. Ooh, NPM. NPM. Run build. Okay, will it deploy? Let's see. Yeah, okay, this looks like it found it, so are we closer? We'll see. Oh, failed. What's wrong here? Okay. What's broken? Because it seems to be fine. Publish directory out does not exist. Oh, obviously there is no such directory. Let's just build it. npm run build. Let's see what publish directory I have here. And when they build, where do they go actually? Question is public. Publish directory is public. Okay. So let's go to settings again and edit this one. Yeah, obviously it's public. Let's see this deployment. Oh, success, or is it? Is my website out there? Yeah, okay, deployed, good. So I don't know if this Pixels and Logic, that's probably, that doesn't work. Let's see if it works on my, oh yeah, I have it on the phone, on my phone. Okay, I didn't really deploy the latest version, so let's just push all this crap. Form update. Oh, update. Yeah, let's just do this. Okay, let's just deploy it again and see if it's gonna send my form basically. Here. Okay, now the new deployment basically. Oh, build failed again. What's wrong with my... what's this? Okay, I think that's something that... Let's give it to AI. Got build fail. My lovely AI. Let's see if you are actually smart enough for this job. Otherwise, I will have to replace you with human. That's the biggest fear those days, that humans will replace AI. Is it fine? Yeah, fine. Let's see if my version, my local version. Ooh. Now the logo is broken. I think I have to have a version somewhere else as well. Okay, I'll fix logo now. I think it should be somewhere actually as well. In another place. Okay, so it needs to be source, images. Oh, actually, let's just pixels and logic icon. That's not what I have. I actually don't have that. Pixels and logic EU. That's the one. HTTPS dot pixels and logic EU. But I'm trying to do HTTPS. Why? This certificate thing is kind of messed up. So source images and icon. Images and icon is this. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's just update this stuff and see how it goes. Date, logo. Yeah, push. Yeah, I forgot. I always forget to tell people to subscribe, subscribe. Okay, and seems to be working mostly. And I think I just close it locally. npm run start. Yeah, okay. Gatsby, back to Gatsby. Yeah, on the side my logo doesn't seem to show, which is kind of embarrassing. So that's one of the things that I should have working correctly. So oh, and form. Let's test my form actually. So I can do it on my phone. For some reason I can't run it in my browser here. Let's just test my form. Send. It says that it's sent. Let's see if my submissions. Oh, good. Yeah, working. Good. Okay, so the form, I made it work. It was very easy, obviously, but yes, it's out there. So like the only thing that I hate now is my logo. Want to offer packages where I'm selling MVP in 5 days. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Okay. This is a good job. There are some big icons next to each bullet. They are white now. Now let's have them the same color as text. Yeah, that kind of looks silly. Okay, is it better now? Yes. What we do, projects, technologies. Can you generate a title and pitch explaining what this project is about? That's the quickest marketing job I can do, obviously. Pattern market. Bit shorter pitch. Please. Technologies just listed after the pitch. Yeah, so close. Yeah, okay. Pattern market, ultimate. Okay. Let's add another project. This one is text is Node.js. Express, MongoDB, Firebase, style components. Okay. CSS modules. Yeah, so now this, and so we are actually, oh, I forgot to tell it to make it in 3 columns. I think I will replace this green because is it green or yellow with actually this blue from the logo. Yeah, okay. Pattern market. Also place this project in 3 columns. Oh, please. Sorry, I forgot to say please. Also, the buttons. I don't. Yeah, okay. I stopped liking the orange, the yellow. Good. Yeah, this testimonial kind of doesn't really work here now. That's the one. Lex Hippica. Planner 2. And pattern market. Yeah, so that's probably upgrade. Pixels and logic. Please open. Oh, yes, yes. Works here. Now the logo still seems to be broken. Let's see this logo bit. Logo still seems to be broken on production. Links to that. Yeah, okay. It's broken. Seems to be broken. It links to that. Yeah, okay, let's see if it kind of manages it. And I will just deploy this and change this ugly yellow to my blue from the logo. Let's just check that blue actually, because I think I have it in Canva. I made this logo really quickly in Canva, as everything. Now those days I just make everything quickly with Canva or with AI or with other stuff. I just like seriously like jump through things now. I just don't think like playing too long with logos and designs and stuff is such a good use of time. I think it's good to make things kind of professional, okay-ish, but not too much. npm run start. Because the design doesn't seem to sell that much, you know? So this is the color I want to replace it with. What color is it? I stopped liking my yellow green color. Yeah, I like this blue from logo. Basically, I had a product some 10 years ago or something. I've built a page very quickly, like here, what I'm doing now. I've built it in over like a day, maybe 2, and we started selling it. It was selling quite okay. I think I could make $1,500 or maybe $2,000 at one moment from this product. And later it kind of went down, but it was making some good money for like 3 people, you know, so it was a kind of good selling product. And then I made it initially that the page was sort of the length of what I have now here. And then we redesigned it. We just asked, we found a designer, like 3 or 4 months within the project. So I had a designer who redesigned it. He made it much better. It looked so cool. The website was really nicer, you know, better buttons, even like more text. The page was longer, like more professional, you know, like it was better page. And then when we released it, we did like stupid thing and released the entire site. And then our sales dropped by like 30%. It was almost instant. We could almost see straight away that, you know, the prettier website, the better website sold less. And I've spent many times, I read books even about design. I read books about advertisement and stuff. And the design, it just needs to look good. Although like I'm buying from websites that are not that pretty. That's why, for example, Google and Microsoft, they have really simple designs. And if you look at the Amazon, like many people would say Amazon is ugly. I mean, this is nice, but like when you go to the product, I don't really like that. But they tested this, they know that this is what sells. Is this the prettiest page? I don't know. I mean, it's in terms of utility, this was tested a lot to make sure that it's selling best. And like, look at this. This is just text. This is nothing pretty. Like, this is like, you know, you have border here, border there, like some lines. That doesn't really look very good in some places. The reason why this button is here, it was like this button was probably tested in 50 places around this page, and they actually realized this is the best place for it. They will send 1% of their traffic to a page that would have a button maybe lower, And they would test actually how many people click this button lower, or like how much the sales are actually going down. Yeah, this background color now is ugly. I don't like this background color. Let's just change this color as well to something a bit less. Let's find a nice color from here as well. Let's see if there's any nice background color I could use. This is better maybe. Let's replace this color as well. Okay. Oh, good. That's better, I think. That's better. And let's have what we do. Let's have we do section on white. Yeah, I think that's good for today. Remove testimonial for testimonial text. Let's just project card. Yeah, dot text. Okay, this. Let's comment this one out. This looks ugly actually. And Tailwind CSS. It's not Tailwind. It's not Next.js. It was WordPress. That's probably SCSS. PHP. I don't know. There's some custom PHP. This is planner, is not project management. Yeah. Okay. Let's just use title for this page. That's probably okay. Let's just find this. Let's replace with that. Projects JSON. Have this title. Also button on this project sections be at the bottom of the box. Okay, I think I should like make. Okay, this is nice when it's white. Let's see if. Oh, here it's actually not white. It's this color. Let's make every second section into this background color. Ooh, no, no, no! What did you do to my? What did you do to my buttons? No, no. The button boxes should not the way you did auto or something like this. Okay, this is fixed. Good. This is kind of ugly. There should be a margin. Done. Good. Done. Are we sure? Yes. Done. Then this. Then this. Then this. Wherever. Yeah, I think this one should go to the second place, I guess. Yeah. Okay. This is next. This is not Next.js. AI is such a liar. So where is this Next.js thing? This is not Next. What we are using there? TypeScript, Python, Django. What else are we using there? Tailwind, CSS. Yeah, TypeScript, whatever. And the next one, let's just remove MongoDB, Docker. Let's just remove Docker. Yeah, okay. Deploy. Go. That's a great commit message. Obviously, next time I will look at it, I will know where to look. Let's just test it on production. Obviously this is not the best website out there. This is, it's okay. A button navigation redirect to section. It will say MVP in 5 days. But yeah, we did it, guys. We did it, boys and girls. Let's just. I think I should have. MVP in 5 days. Shoo. Yeah. Again, deploy again. button to no push pixels and logic. No, but logo doesn't work. Ah, what's wrong with this logo? Logo light. Do I have like a logo light there somewhere? Maybe there's the name is different. Let's just have it like as logo light. Yeah, let's see if this will help. It says, is it in like logo/logo light? New folder. And let's just copy this and this here. I don't know. Fix logo. But let's just commit it. This is obviously the best way to test it, by deploying multiple things to the server. Will it work now? You know, I was celebrating. That's why I put my glasses on. And it still doesn't seem to do that. Let's try refresh with cache. No. Logo doesn't work. That's what I have on production. Pointing to, and basically this is like a done website. The issue is you need to move your logo from static logo folder in Gatsby. Public folder is auto-generating during OK. Let me create a static folder structure. Go to OK, so this is logo. Oh, static logo light. Okay, maybe here. Yeah, okay. This one is gonna be the charm. So obviously now it's gonna work. 100%. Is this like... No, not yet. Okay, let's hope it's still building. Dashboard render.com. Okay, production. Oh no, what's wrong with production? Backend. Okay, that's something I was working yesterday on, so I didn't fix something. I'm not gonna be fixing it now. This one is deploying. Your site is live. Good, live. Yay! Done! Fixed. It's pretty good still for like 2 hours. I don't like this section. It's kind of silly with all those icons. And this is all working. But yeah, so basically I'm just redesigning my hero section, and let's make also title goes the mobile phone. So let's make within the... Okay, just finishing, yeah, a couple of finishing touches, and I think I will be off again. Within the phone with, and let's paper title goes above. I like the line about something else. So basically, like, I just want to show like, ooh, we do. It's pretty cool hero section. Yeah, okay. It's actually really hard to tell AI to do that kind of stuff. Web apps, SaaS products. Good. Rapid prototyping, full stack development. Okay, let's above browser, and they both should show the same message. Yeah, that's cooler. I think that's... And also this thing will have to go to the left slightly. Move title section further to the left, and give all the text white background, not the entire section. Okay, I don't really... Maybe that's not a good... Oh no, this should also go. Okay, no, the last change, undo. This entire thing should go further to the left. What's the name of this section? Let's spread both sections within hero section, further apart, give first white background to text there. Yeah, okay, let's just save that for now. My lovely AI, what did you do to it? What did you do to my code, to my app? Let's see. No! Not this! Okay, let's just do it myself. I think like sometimes AI is so bad at CSS. I think this is like the biggest thing I hate it for. Okay, let's just undo this change because this was bad. So basically, like within that section, font size maybe 4, bit smaller, margin, background white. Okay, it's this stuff. Can you make just behind the text itself, not even just behind title and below it? There was actually something in CSS. Background behind text only. Let's just have only. Let's add that stuff. Green. Okay, maybe that's that kind of stuff. Come on, stop wasting my time. AI can make you entire website, but can't make like a line of CSS. Seriously, sometimes it's just so crazy bad. Okay, let's just give it to Claude. Hi, Claude. Can you just make text to have a background in the hero section? On overflow the recommend this kind of solution. Yeah, let's see if it can actually learn from the code that I just gave it. I'm just telling him, just write this code. Yeah, almost. See, like it's almost there. Yeah, I think he did it actually. Oh yeah, he did it. Good. Yeah, so there's a span inside. Good. But let's make this text smaller. Paddings for background. Okay, let's just do it myself. Let's do a font size 6XL. Yeah. Spacing 1 and 2. Yeah. And background. Yeah, let's just have a white like this is. Yeah, even smaller. Theme spacing. Okay. 5. Yeah. Line height bigger. 1.4, let's say. And let's give it like here, like 4 or something. And this text as well, I think that's what we should do for the text subtitle. Is it like 4 here? Yeah, 4. Great. Font size. Good. I think I like it. Let's move this hero stuff. Headline, content. Yeah. Let's just now spread hero content apart. Let's just save this one, obviously, and now that this section, what's this section name? Content wrapper should go. Okay, let's just set index. Good. So here, margin left, margin. Oh, okay, this is it. It should be margin left 0. Yeah. Or wherever. Yeah, I think that's good actually. Let's just have it this way. I like it. It's pretty cool. I don't like this stuff a bit. Docker, AWS, GraphQL. I think I could probably do all of that. Gatsby. This is Gatsby. Figma. Okay, let's just have proper column icons for technologies. Have some proper icons in technology section of this, like the real logos of this technologies. Docker, AWS, React, TypeScript, Node, Python. Good, good. MongoDB. Gatsby. Next. Yeah, cool stuff. Cool stuff. This is better. Selected projects. Yeah, selected projects should have images actually. Maybe even image galleries. Yeah, so they're nicely sized at least, so they're gonna fit nicely. So I have images for project section for projects, and they are called Planero pattern. What's the pattern market? Like Hipica and pattern market. Yeah, just use them. And then below the title and make them responsive to fit to the size. Also, this is a cool website. I think I would buy from those people. Oh, nice. Although, like, there is something I don't like here. I think I keep breeding. Let's just remove end horse breeding. Legal service for question. Okay, let's just rephrase it and make it slightly slower. It's shorter. Yep. Yeah, and now they're like even. So at least that's that. So yeah, that's it. This is how we make simple but fast and very useful website in, let's say, hour and a half, 2 hours. Also soon I will show you how to deploy it and connect it to the domain. I just have to get it edited. But in the meantime, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do love subscribers. I do those kind of live streams almost daily now. And I think I really enjoy that. And it seems like people who join me, they seem to enjoy it as well. Thanks for watching. See you around next time. Bye.